Looking for the perfect tire repair tools? Here's what you need to know. The 80PC's tire repair rubber is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants package included. This kit includes 80 high-quality tire repair nails in 4 practical sizes. 20 PCs 0. 55 inches by 0. 25 inches. 20 PCs 0. 51 inches by 0. 23 inches. 20 PCs 0. 53 inches by 0. 21 inches. 20 PCs 0. 47 inches by 0. 19 inches. Also contains 1 Phillips screwdriver bit, 1 screwdriver and 1 mini nail puller. Pro tip: always match nail size to puncture diameter for optimal sealing. Designed to help you durable material and secure seal. Engineered from premium rubber reinforced with iron cores. Our tire repair plugs deliver outstanding durability and wear-resistant performance. The specially designed deep spiral threading provides superior gripping power in the tire wall, forming a dependable airtight barrier that effectively prevents air leaks and maintains integrity even under demanding driving conditions. Great choice if you need easy to use. These tire plugs can fix punctures in just 3 simple steps. 1. Check the puncture hole size. 2. Select an appropriately sized plug. And 3. Insert it fully using a screwdriver. No patch needed. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.